In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize email layouts in MailerLite so you can build campaigns that look polished, professional, and perfectly organized. MailerLite is one of the most beginner-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and its drag-and-drop editor gives you full control over every visual element of your message. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your browser and head to the MailerLite website. Click the login button in the top right corner. Then enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your command center where you can see all your subscribers, campaigns, and automations at a glance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Everything you need is organized in the left sidebar. Now let's open the campaign section. Look to the left side navigation menu and click Campaigns. This page shows you all of your existing email campaigns, both drafts and sent messages. Scroll through the list and locate the campaign you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new campaign by clicking the Create Campaign button. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on editing an existing one. Once you've found your email, click the three dots next to it, or simply hover over the campaign title and select Continue Editing. This opens the campaign in its current state, ready for changes. Next, we need to get into the email editor itself. Look for the Edit Content button. It's usually prominent near the top of the campaign overview page. Click it and give the drag and drop editor a moment to fully load. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your current email layout, which might include text blocks, images, buttons, or dividers. Don't worry if it looks a bit basic right now. We're going to transform it step by step. Take a quick scroll from top to bottom and identify the sections you want to customize. This could be the header, the main content area, or the footer. Now let's add or rearrange layout blocks. On the left sidebar, you'll see a tab labeled Elements. Click it and you'll be presented with all the building blocks MailerLite offers. Text blocks, images, buttons, spacers, dividers, video blocks, social share icons, and more. To add a new block, simply click and drag it from the sidebar into your email canvas. You can drop it above or below existing sections and the editor will snap it into place. If you want to rearrange things, just click and drag any existing block to a new position. The goal here is to organize your email so the most important information appears near the top. Your subscribers are busy, so lead with your strongest value proposition, whether that's a headline, a call to action, or a featured product. With your blocks in place, it's time to customize individual sections. Click directly on any block you've added, whether it's text, an image, or a button. When you select it, a toolbar will appear with options to adjust the content. For a text block, you can type your own copy, change the font size, bold key phrases, or add links. For images, you can upload your own, adjust the width, or add alt text for accessibility. Buttons let you set the button text, choose a URL, and pick a color that matches your brand. Don't forget to adjust spacing between elements. You can use the spacer block to add breathing room, or change the padding and margins directly in the block settings. Adding a subtle divider line between sections can also improve readability. Now let's dig into the layout settings for a more polished look. When you click on any section of your email, say the whole header area or a content row, look at the right sidebar. This panel is your control center for the section's overall structure. Here you can adjust layout settings such as alignments, column width, and background color. For example, if you want a two-column section with text on the left and an image on the right, you can choose that layout from the sidebar. You can also modify section backgrounds. Add a soft color or even a gradient to make certain parts of your email stand out. A common pitfall beginners make is using too many different background colors, which can look chaotic. Stick to one or two complementary colors and use white space generously to keep the design clean. Once you've made your adjustments, it's critical to review the overall layout. Scroll through your email from top to bottom as if you were a subscriber opening it for the first time. Check that the content flows logically. Headlines should lead into supporting text and calls to action should be placed where they feel natural. Ensure sections are evenly spaced. If one block feels cramped or too far from the next, tweak the padding. Verify that images and text are aligned properly. Misaligned elements can make even great content look amateurish. Make any additional adjustments now. It's much easier to fix things here than after you send. Finally, save and preview your email. In the upper right corner of the editor, click the Done Editing button. MailerLite will automatically save all your changes. You'll be taken back to the campaign overview, where you can now click preview to see how your email appears on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Send a test email to yourself if you want to see how it behaves in a real inbox. Pay attention to how the layout renders on different screen sizes. MailerLite's editor is responsive, but it's always wise to double check. And there you have it. You've now learned how to customize email layouts in MailerLite, giving your campaigns a clean, professional structure that makes it easy for your subscribers to read and engage. A well-organized layout isn't just about looks, it directly impacts click-through rates and conversions. As a next step, consider creating a reusable template from your best design so you can apply it to future campaigns with one click. If you found this guide helpful, save this video or bookmark the timestamp you need, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy emailing!